Oh, this is living, huh?
This is gonna be living.
Galveston Island RV Resort. Setting up shop for 5 full days. Looking forward to it.
So we're in
Galveston Island.
Galveston Island RV Resort, I think is what it's called, right?
Correct.
Steaks on the grill. Can you guess whose is whose? Can you guess whose belong to whose?
Tom likes his meat very well done.
I do.
This is day what?
This is day 11, 12?
12.
Day 12.
Day 12.
And we're still kicking it. Still trying to train the dogs, but we're good. Cheers.
Cheers. Sunrise in Galveston. This is our bed. We struggled to find room to sleep. This morning I'm attempting to make fat-free banana bread, which it's an old recipe that I've used for years and years and years. And what I did is I halved the recipe and mixed it by hand instead of with a mixer. So we'll see how they come out in the convection oven. The muffins are puffing up nicely. Sorry, there's shadows in the way. But we'll see how they come out. A few more minutes.
Making bacon in Galveston.
Look how good the muffins came out.
Those are Texas muffins.
Look at how nice the inside looks. Tell me it's cooked all the way through. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Oops.
Smells like bananas.
Yeah, I didn't add any cinnamon or nuts or anything to it.
Doesn't need anything.
It's just banana, eggs, flour, sugar,
And butter.
and baking soda.
And butter.
That's all. And butter. I don't put butter on mine. Well, maybe a little. editing videos while we watch an amazing storm a-coming.
Yeah. What kind of storm?
That kind.
Yeah. A Texas-sized thunderstorm.
Texas-sized.
This will be our first Texas thunderstorm, so let's see how it goes.
Yep.
Catch a little video of it. Should be a good one.
It's all about the dogs.
We're off to see the sights. We're going to go see a couple of museums. We're going to go try to find somewhere to park this thing, and then see the museums. We're going to find the original tacos.
Beautiful, crystal clear out.
Crystal clear at 71 degrees. Breezy.
71, so
oh, man.
Blue jeans for me, long sleeve shirt for Tom.
I got a little sunburn. Yeah.
You got sunburn yesterday by the pool. I was working, so I didn't get sunburned. Plus, we've been staying at Galveston Island RV Resort.
Beautiful place.
Beautiful place. The sites are big, perfectly level, meticulously clean.
Walk to the beach.
Walk to the beach.
Nice dog park.
Yeah, they have a lovely dog park. They have a pool, a lazy river.
Mm-hmm. Hot tub.
Hot tub, which wasn't so hot, but you know, that can't complain.
Temperature-wise.
Yeah. They have no fire pits, but they have charcoal grills available.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Wednesdays is buy one get one free pina coladas.
Oh, Wednesdays?
Yeah.
Today's Tuesday.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah. So we gotta wait.
Till tomorrow we'll get one.
No, we're gonna get two.
Okay. For one price. It really lovely place. We enjoyed our stay there. Tom and I are not one to stay someplace for a long time. 5 nights is not a long time for many, but it's a long time for us. But I had some work to do, and I needed good connectivity, so I got a little upgrade and paid for.
Oh yeah, for dedicated Wi-Fi.
Dedicated Wi-Fi, thank you. And it worked fabulous, and that was inexpensive. It was $39 for a week. Mm-hmm. So, no complaints about that. And
it was coming in at about 30 or 40 megabits per second. That's pretty ripping fast. So.
Okay, all right. My technical expert here. Mm-hmm. All right, so we'll let you know how where we end up tonight. Hopefully the original. And maybe some place for cocktails. It's nice and cool out, so the dogs will be fine in the car in the RV with the windows open.
We might have to feed them at some point.
And we do have to feed them and walk them and all that standard stuff.
The original restaurant in downtown Galveston. And I broke up a very important law. You're never supposed to drink anything that comes in a blue glass. Look at that. It's an original.
It's not in a blue glass.
It's blue. It's an original margarita. From the original restaurant.
He wanted to match his shirt today.
Yes. We're at the original restaurant, and I ordered the original dinner. Look at the original dinner.
Not one, but two.
It comes on 2 plates. 2 plates. Ridiculous. We got prime parking. We don't have a ticket, do we? Oh, good. There they are. All right, I don't think I locked the doors. I didn't. Something weird. Look at Susie. Look at Susie setting up dinner. You know anything? We're on a slant. Yeah, this is That's about level. We're outside of the original feeding the dogs with a little bit of leftover rice, but we kind of parked on a little bit of a slant here, so a little bit tilted. But Josie likes it.